Bila you kahwin, what exactly did you fall in love with? Because if the answer is her body, her youth, his looks, his money, then one day your marriage is going to be tested. Semua benda yang kita rasa attractive pada hari ni akan berubah one day. The body changes, the face changes, his financial status can also change. Energy changes, life changes. Lepas kahwin, nanti adalah stretch marks, berat badan naik, rambut gugok, kedut tang situ, tang sini, sakit-sakit badan. One day, both of you will wake up looking nothing like your wedding photos. And that's not failure tau. That's actually life. The question is, when beauty fades, what remains? Kalau yang buat you jatuh cinta hanyalah physical attraction, then time becomes the enemy. But if you fall in love with someone's character, their kindness, their loyalty, their integrity, cara dia melayan orang, cara dia menjaga hati kita, cara dia memilih kita every single day, even on the days bila kita bergaduh, then time doesn't destroy love. Time reveals it. Saya selalu cakap ni, don't just ask if this person is attractive. Ask, will I still admire this person's soul when we're both old? Pasal marriage isn't about finding someone who will always look beautiful. It's about finding someone whose soul becomes more beautiful the longer you know them. Bayangkan satu hari nanti, your spouse is old, wrinkled, walking slowly, mungkin dah sakit, mungkin dah tak sekuat dulu. Will you still look at them and feel grateful they are yours? Because that is the kind of love worth building. Physical beauty is a gift, tapi character tu is a choice. And character is what carries a marriage when beauty changes. And it will change. At the end of the day, bodies grow old, but a beautiful soul only becomes more valuable with time.